Spoken English for Beginners, a comprehensive guide to mastering English conversation. Course overview. Welcome to Spoken English for Beginners, a comprehensive YouTube course designed to help you master English, conversation, and communication skills from the ground up. Whether you're a complete beginner or have a basic understanding of English, this course will provide you with the tools and resources you need to build confidence and fluency in speaking English. Course modules. 1. Introduction to English sounds and pronunciation. Learn the basics of English pronunciation, including vowel and consonant sounds, word stress, and intonation patterns. Practice common English words and phrases to improve your pronunciation and listening skills. 2. Essential vocabulary and phrases. Build your vocabulary by learning everyday words and phrases related to common topics such as greetings, introductions, daily routine, food, and travel. Engage in interactive activities to practice using these words and phrases in context. 3. Basic grammar and sentence structure. Understand the fundamentals of English grammar, including parts of speech, sentence structure, and verb tenses. Create simple sentences and practice forming questions and answers using correct grammar. 4. Conversational skills and techniques. Develop your conversational skills by learning how to start, maintain, and end conversations politely. 5. Listening and comprehension practice. Learn effective strategies for asking and answering questions, expressing opinions, and engaging in small talk. Enhance your listening skills by engaging in a variety of listening exercises, including short stories, dialogues, and audio recordings. Develop the ability to understand spoken English in different contexts and accents. 6. Speaking practice and feedback. Engage in speaking practice sessions where you can apply what you've learned and receive personalized feedback from experienced English tutors. Build confidence in speaking English by practicing with other learners and receiving constructive criticism. Course benefits. Structured learning. The course is divided into modules, providing a clear and organized learning path. Interactive activities. Engaging activities and quizzes reinforce learning and make the lessons fun and interactive. Native English tutors benefit from the expertise of experienced English tutors who provide support and feedback throughout the course. Real-life scenarios. The course features realistic scenarios and dialogues that help you apply your skills in practical situations. Progress tracking. Track your progress and monitor your improvement with regular assessments and quizzes. Target audience. Individuals with no prior knowledge of English or a basic understanding of the language. Students preparing for language proficiency exams such as TOEFL, IELTS, or Cambridge English exams. Professionals seeking to improve their English communication skills for career advancement. Travelers or individuals planning to live in English-speaking countries. Course outcomes. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and respond to basic English conversations in various everyday situations, communicate effectively using correct grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary, engage in conversations confidently, and express your thoughts and ideas clearly, comprehend spoken English in different accents and contexts. Take the next steps towards improving your English fluency and proficiency. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to mastering spoken English as a beginner. With Spoken English for Beginners, you'll gain the skills and confidence you need to communicate effectively in English.